Which sentence in the third paragraph is missing a subject? Let's go through our choices and see if we can locate the subject in each one. A. Sentence 9. Ayeye says that Happy Noisemaker tends to attract women either based in Nigeria or members of the Nigerian diaspora. A simple way to go about locating the subject of a sentence is by asking who or what. For example, with this sentence, we can ask ourselves, who says that Happy Noisemaker tends to attract women based in Nigeria? The sentence tells us, Ayeye says. But there's another subject in the sentence, and to find it we now ask, what? What attracts women in Nigeria? Again, the sentence tells us, Happy Noisemaker. As all the subjects in this sentence are accounted for, we can mark this choice as incorrect. B. Sentence 10. I really enjoy the fact that anybody anywhere can join. There's a gift in that, she says. Again, because this sentence includes a quote, we can ask who twice. Who really enjoys that fact? The sentence tells us, I do. And who says this? She says. As this sentence has subjects, we can mark this choice as incorrect. C. Sentence 12. In one of its recent discussions, hosted eminent Zimbabwean author, playwright, and filmmaker Tsitsi Dangarembga to discuss her seminal novel Nervous Conditions. Who hosted eminent Zimbabwean author, playwright, and filmmaker? The sentence doesn't tell us. It could be they did, she did, the book club did. The main point is, the sentence makes no mention of who did the inviting. As this sentence is missing a subject, this is likely our answer, but we can take a look at choice D just to be sure. D. Sentence 13. Because it's virtual, it's opened up an opportunity for us to engage with authors from across the continent, Sibopa says. Again, we have a quote in this sentence, so we can ask ourselves twice. Who says? Sibopa says. And because the quote is discussing a thing and not a person, we can ask ourselves, what? What has opened up an opportunity? The sentence tells us, it has. As both of our subjects are in place, this choice can be marked off, and we can mark choice C as our final answer.